In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows Update error code 0x800f081f on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So simply run the Windows Update troubleshooter. After doing so, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it under the Best Match. Click on one service and press W key on keyboard and then look for the Windows Update service in the W section. Right click, go to Properties. Change this to Disabled, Apply, and then OK. Then click on the Start button, go to File Explorer. Click this PC, double click on the Windows C drive. Go to the Windows folder and then look for the Software Distribution folder and delete everything from here. Click Ctrl A. Then click the delete icon at the top. Click on continue. Now once deleted, go back to the services window and locate the Windows Update service. Right click, go to properties, change this to automatic, apply, click on start, and then click on OK. And restart your Windows afterwards. Then the next thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type features. Click turn Windows features on or off. Maximize it. Make sure to enable the .NET Framework 3.5 and the .NET Framework 4.8 and also its sub-components. Okay? And then simply click on OK and then that will search for the required files. Simply click the option Let Windows download the files for you. So make sure to turn on the Windows feature for .NET Framework 3.5 and the .NET Framework 4.8. Then the next thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. Type SFC space / scan now. SFC space / scan now. Hit Enter. So the system scan will begin. Wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once completed, right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.